Hi, today I am going to show you how to fix the buzzing or humming sound gets after installing the doorbell camera. Actually, I would start to get the humming sound or the buzzing sound after 4-5 months installing this camera. That is happening due to some current is dragging and tickle current is dragging. So I will show you how to fix that easy fix for that one. Okay, this is open this one first. Actually, for my case, I was getting the humming sound for a while and I didn't get a chance to look on that one because I was pretty busy. But by the time I get on that one, my doorbell didn't dong, but this one was broken. So what I did was I removed the connection from here and it moved to here. So now I am getting only the ding instead of ding dong. This was the ding dong and this is ding. Okay, now you see what's going on. Yep, see, it's only touch here, it goes ding, not ding dong. Again, please. So what I did was I moved this cable. It originally was here, connected to here, and it was going ding dong. It goes like this, ding dong. But now I move it from here to here, and now I am getting only the ding. That's a simple fix. Otherwise, if it was not broken, this cap, what could I have done? I could have connected a resistor in between these two so that the tickle current is not moving in between, so that this humming sound is not coming. But instead of, since I have broken by the time I was looking at the chim, what I did was I moved that one. There is two solutions for that one. To remove the buzzing or humming sound, first one is connect a resistor in between these two so that you will not get a tickle current or not, that current is not significant. The other option, instead of getting the ding dong, I move this one to only to this side, so I am getting only the ding sound right now. If you still want to get the ding dong, you can remove this part, and that's all, simply that's all. You can get the ding dong sound again. You can easily fix by yourself instead of calling for a technician. If it is broken, just go to hardware some and buy a new one and connect it. That's the third option you have.